Hello friends, this is Air India flight 157 from New Delhi to Copenhagen, Denmark. It is Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner. It took off from New Delhi airport 40 minutes back, and it will take 8 hours and 30 minutes to land at Copenhagen. At the moment its height is 37,000 feet and speed is 470 knots. Copenhagen is in Denmark, beautiful country, one of the most peaceful and prosper country. Lot of immigrants living there. We wish best of luck to all the passengers and crew and all the humans worldwide. Keep watching my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.